Hi, I'm Jane Metcalf, and we are here in San Francisco for the first workshop on designing the future of Homo sapiens. Nobody really has a clear picture of what the future of Homo sapiens has in store, so we're going to start working on that. Hanu had the brilliant idea of working on scenarios. Hanu is a theoretical physicist and a science fiction author.
I would like this to be a framework for conversation more than necessarily a prescriptive outcome. Peter Schwartz is leading us through a scenario planning exercise.
Scenarios are good stories about the future. So I think the outcome is going to be stories, but there'll be stories that will be built on rigorous analysis on the one hand and creative imagination on the other. There'll be a number of biologists, scientists, science fiction writers joining us, creative thinkers in general, people like Kevin Kelly, for example.
I think that we'll have biological innovations that we simply haven't thought of, or that we'll be surprised by, not necessarily the rate, but maybe the variety and the kinds of things that we can do. I think there will be a tremendous amount of redefining and defining us that will then lead to our ability to change us.
What does it mean to be human? And if our experiences change that much, are we still human?
I've already learned quite a lot from this meeting, imagining futures as well as alternative possibilities. I've also learned a lot from the evolutionary biologists. It's often not the technology that's the driving force. It's our politics, it's our identity, it's all these social forces.
And it increases the visibility. And then more people...
I think if we come up with something that shocks people, awes people, and maybe even disgusts people, we will have succeeded if we get visceral gut reactions to these futures that we're creating.